Hi guys, we are in a new setting right now. So as you can see, we are surrounded by the mountains. So ayun na nga guys, we just finished filming two weddings today, and honestly, we just dive into this again. Well, I told my husband that I just want to create content para naman nang sa ganun may extra ako, may bala ako in the future just in case maubusan ako ng content, guys. Yeah, and then I think it's an interesting topic too. Kasi minsan ino-open mo lang tong topic na 'to kasama yung mga close friends mo. And sometimes you just keep it yourself because wala kang mapagsasabihan or nahihiya ka. So in this podcast, I'm just gonna give you my insight or my input about how to deal when your in-laws don't like you. So, guys, I might be wrong or you might be correct, 'di ba? So, I'm just basing it like sa experience, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga guys, I'm basing everything with my experience. I'm not gonna sugarcoat anything. So, ayun na nga, it's my life and it's my story this time, and I hope you can learn from me. And yun naman talaga yung goal, yung matuto tayo sa isa't isa, 'di ba? Sorry for the wind, and I hope our audio quality hindi siya masira
Yeah, it
dahil
should
sa
be
wind.
good.
It should be good, yeah.
Hey guys, so it's
Oh,
me.
yeah, I'm so sorry. I didn't introduce myself. That's a long intro. So if it's your first time here in my page or in my Facebook account, so this is Rosmily Tabalon, and welcome to my podcast. And I have my co-host here again. If you don't know him, he's my husband, Mark Tabalon.
Hey guys, what's up? Sorry, medyo wala akong boses ngayon eh. We've been filming a lot of things lately and
Yes.
there's a lot of directing that I need to do and yelling and things like that.
Yeah.
So,
Naubusan na po siya ng boses, and wala pa pong summertime yan.
correct, yeah. But anyways, yeah, let's dive into the
Parang
question.
wrong outfit ata tayo ngayon. Ang init. Guys,
Init,
sobrang
yeah.
init. Ang akala
Sobra,
namin is
guys.
it's still cold kasi nga sa
It's
mountains, 'di ba?
mountains.
Pero ngayon, guys, ang init. Sobrang init, and look at our outfit. But yeah. Okay, let's just dive into the first question, I guess. Huwag na tayong
Yeah.
paligoy-ligoy.
First question.
Mhm.
Paano mo pipiliin ang respeto kahit hindi ka nirespeto?
Well, alam mo naman, they usually say, 'di ba, respect is earned. Hindi lang siya basta-basta binibigay sa mga taong hindi ka naman nirerespeto. And for me, my input doon, pag hindi ka na nirespeto, make sure to set boundaries and make sure to protect your peace of mind. Kasi pag hindi mo to prinotektahan, ikaw mismo yung mauubos, 'di ba? Sabi nga nila, if you're not pouring any water sa'yo, or alam mo yung puro negativity na lang yung nare-receive mo, kamusta ka naman, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So, madi-drain ka. Yun yung kailangan mong protektahan, 'di
Yeah.
ba? Yung peace of mind mo.
And how do you protect your peace of mind?
Well, how do I protect my peace of mind? Well, healthy ang pagsiset ng boundaries, 'di ba? You have to set that boundaries para next time, alam na nila na, alam mo yon na, kasi minsan guys, pag hindi ka nirespeto, it's a form of bullying as well. 'Di ba? It's a form of like, alam mo yon, trauma din sa'yo. So, before they can inflict that trauma, make sure na alam mo kung paano siya i-block. 'Di ba? Kasi, sabi nga nila guys, hindi mo makokontrol, sabi nga nila, 'di ba? Hindi mo makokontrol yung opinion ng ibang tao, pero ikaw makokontrol mo kung ano yung papasukin mo dito at dito, 'di ba?
Yeah, may mga bagay naman hindi mo kayang kontrolin. However,
Yeah.
the only thing that you can control is yourself. Kung ano yung magiging response mo doon.
Yeah, tama ka nga, kung ano yung reaction mo pag hindi ka nila nirespeto, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Pero sabi ko nga guys, you know when to stand up for yourself. Kasi at the end of the day, ikaw lang talaga yung magiging karamay ng sarili mo.
That's true. So, paano kung asawa mo mismo ang ayaw makialam? What would you do?
Ayaw makialam ng asawa sa drama.
Yeah.
Well, you have to be open to each other. Kaya nga, for better or worse, 'di ba? yung sumpaan ninyo nung nagpakasal kayo.
Mhm.
And make sure na you're on the same boat. Kasi at the end of the day, as I'm always saying, na ang marriage, teamwork. Hindi pwedeng isa lang yung nag-work habang yung isa walang pake. Or
Mhm.
alam mo yun, yung hindi nag-e-effort.
Yes.
Kasi at the end of the day, kahit gaano po mo pa kamahal yung tao kung wala namang effort, you're gonna lose that person, di ba?
Yeah.
And you have to protect each other if you wanna keep the relationship.
Of course, 100%. I agree
Diba?
with that. Yeah. Tama bang umiwas kahit sabihin nilang suplada ka?
Well, at the end of the day, sasabihin lang naman nilang suplada ka kasi opinion na talaga nila yun. Na-judge ka na from the beginning. And then, alam mo yun, hindi ka naman na talaga gusto from the beginning, di ba? So, hindi mo kailangan ipagsiksikan yung sarili mo sa mga taong ayaw sa'yo at the first place. Di ba? Kahit
That's
kasi,
true.
kahit kasi gaano ka-effort, effort ka na ng bonggang-bongga kung talagang ayaw sa'yo, hindi ka talaga magugustuhan kasi ayaw na nga. So, wag mo nang pilitin, wag mo na ipilit yung sarili mo sa mga taong ayaw sa'yo. 'Di ba? Even, alam mo yun, but make sure you make effort from the beginning. But sabi ko nga guys, if you feel na parang ikaw na lang lagi, alam mo yun, that's when you set boundaries. 'Di ba? Doon ka magkaroon ng self-respect. Kasi pag ikaw mismo naubusan ng self-respect, hindi ko alam kung saan mo na makukuha yan.
Yes.
'Di ba? Umiwas ka as much
Yeah.
as you can to protect your peace of mind. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi lahat ng battle kailangan mong manalo. May mga battle din na kailangan mo na lang hayaan.
Yeah.
Hindi mo pwedeng i-level din yung sarili mo sa mindset nila.
That's
And
true.
sabi ko nga sa inyo guys, if you audit yourself and you know yourself better than anyone else,
Yeah.
'di ba?
Anyone else, yeah.
Hindi importante ang opinion nila, hindi importante kung anong sasabihin nila, but make sure guys, you're living the best life that you wanted, to live. 'Di ba? Kaysa yung kailangan mong mag-live dahil alam mo yun, dinidiktahan ka nila
Mhm.
sa mga kailangan mong gawin sa buhay. Which is I think parang magiging robot ka na lang niyan.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Sunod-sunuran ganon
And then,
para lang ma-please sila.
Yeah. Isa lang naman ang gusto ng mga tao minsan eh. It's about having the freedom to do whatever you want.
Yeah.
So
That's
that
true.
freedom, kung may mga, yung may mga taong nag-ano sa'yo, pumipigil because they're saying that you're suplada,
Yeah, or
I
they're
thi-
making
or
opinions
making
sa'yo.
opinion. I think all the people in the world are opinionated on some
Yes.
things.
Yeah.
Uh,
Well, you cannot avoid that.
yeah, it's
It's part of
human
life.
nature. Yeah,
Yeah, it's part of
that's
life.
true.
But sabi ko nga guys, it's how you take it, 'di ba? It's how you take it and it's how you protect yourself then, yung self-respect nga na tinatawag and your boundaries at the
Correct.
same time,
That's
right? Grabe yung hangin, guys.
True. Yeah, look at the beautiful place anyways.
Ang ganda ng
Yeah,
view.
it's good.
Kami
Ganda ng
na lang
views dito,
ata yung
guys.
tao. Oh, may nagbo-boat pa doon.
Marami pa rin. of
May
course.
nagbo-boat.
If you guys don't know where we are in
Canmore.
Cananaskis. No, we're not in Canmore. We're in Cananaskis. This is Spray Lake, guys.
Oh, Spray
It's
Lake.
just right off Canmore.
Yeah.
So paglagpas mo ng Canmore, just
May way na
go
papunta
over a
dito.
mountain and yeah,
If you've been to Grassy Lake, yung pataas na na
no
daan,
way, yeah.
Doon lang
But
yun.
anyways, let's move
GPS
on.
nyo na lang, nako.
Spray Lake, guys. Check it out. May campsite
lang.
din sila dito. Paano mo ipagtatanggol ang sarili mo na hindi ka na nagmumukhang masama?
Well, that's so hard. Kasi, di ba nga, kung ayaw sa'yo ng tao at the first place, mukha ka na talagang masama sa kanila. Wala nang
That's
tama
true.
sa'yo, di ba? So, paano
And
mo ba,
sometimes you are being judged the way how you dress and
or
how
even
you
how
act,
you carry yourself,
how you carry
right?
yourself. Yeah. that's
Minsan
correct.
nga
Totoo.
sasabihin sa'yo na naka-short ka lang, malandi ka na agad.
That's how. Well, marami naman talagang judgmental dyan na
Wala
tao.
rin judgmental.
I think we were built like that
Yeah.
when we were young. It's just normal. But I mean, like when you grow up, at least you will know the difference.
Yeah.
Makikita mo kung, yung ginajudge mo bang tao, have you did a background check?
I agree.
Kung yung validation ng tao nagsasabing negative about that person.
I agree.
Diba? Kung hindi mo ginagawa yun, I don't know what else to say.
Yeah, and then sometimes you gotta see talaga kung sino yung like go back to the question again.
Yeah, paano mo ipagtanggol ang sarili mo na hindi ka nagmumukhang
Nagmumukhang masama.
masama?
So, for me guys, ito yung pinakamatinding lesson na natutunan ko sa buhay. If someone is so mean at you and so, judgmental at you or so bad at you, yung taong ayaw ka talaga, kill them with kindness. And
I like that.
kill them with your kindness and still be you. Because at the end of the day, your action will be the definition of you. 'Di ba? Ikaw, yung action mo, kung naging
That's
bad
true.
ka sa kanila, naging masama ka, reflection na yun bilang ikaw na tao, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So ibig sabihin, nilevel mo yung sarili mo sa kanila, 'di ba? And as I've said with the previous question, 'di ba, may mga battle talaga na hindi mo na kailangang ipaglaban, hindi dahil alam mo yun, defeated ka na already, pero dahil alam mo yun, kailangan mong protektahan yung sarili mo bilang ikaw, bilang
Yes.
isang mabuting tao. And yun yung kailangan mong protektahan dahil yan ang dignidad mo. Well, that's my take with that question. My love.
That's good. I like it. All right, let's move on to number 5 na question. Paano mo pipigilan ang sarili mong magsalita ng masakit or masasakit na salita?
Eto na-learn ko lang siya throughout nung sinasabi mo na sa akin na reactive ako with some situation.
Yes.
'Di ba?
Yeah.
So, yung pagiging reactive when I say like, kunyari, nabato ka, ay babatuhin mo na agad, parang ganon. 'Di ba? Like talagang wala nang second thought, hindi ka na nag-isip, talagang, alam mo yung normal response na pag kunyari nasaktan ka, talagang
Yeah.
may reflexes, parang ganon. So, yun yung kailangan mong isang tabi. Yun yung kailangan mo ng bigyan ng time, which is kailangan mong bigyan ng time yung sarili mo para mag-isip kung paano ka magre-response sa situation, 'di ba? Hindi
That's
yung
true.
bira ka na lang ng bira, 'di ba? Kasi diyan ka napapa-trouble 'di ba? Pag bira ka ng bira and then patol ka ng patol, tapos hindi mo man lang napapakinggan yung sinasabi nila. Make sure na pakinggan mo yung sasabihin nila and make sure na i-deliver mo iyon nicely or with brain. You know what I mean? When I say with brain,
Yeah.
alam mo yung pinag-isipan talaga,
That's
hindi
true.
yung palengke fight, 'di ba?
Paano kung pinaparamdam nilang hindi ka belong?
Well, guys, at the first place naman talaga ayaw na sa'yo, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga, 'wag mo na pagpilitan yung sarili mo, even like kunyari, hindi mo mag-e-effort ka naman talaga from the beginning. 'Di ba? You're gonna try your best na parang ipakita na, okay, I deserve this spot and that we have to have this, alam mo yung relationship,
Yeah.
'di ba?
That's
Pero hindi na nila binigay sa'yo yun from the beginning, 'di ba?
Got it.
They just judge you, basically. If I were you, I'm just gonna maging busy ka na lang like sa family mo or like find like yung
Yeah,
talagang
build your own circle.
build your own circle, 'di
Yeah.
ba? Or alam mo 'yun, pag hindi sa kanila pumunta ka sa church, baka may mas makilala ka pa and mas mag-grow ka pa, makatutulong 'yun sa
100%.
learnings mo, 'di ba?
Yes.
Kasi pag nag-focus ka sa negativity, wala nang growth doon.
Oh,
Kasi
yeah.
negative na 'yun from the beginning pa lang, 'di
That's
ba?
true.
And you don't wanna get stuck from that situation. You always want to be that person na mag-move forward and search for growth, 'di ba? Hindi yung alam mo yun, kailangan mong alam mo yun, manalo lang para what? Para may mapatunayan? Well, I don't think so. Kasi negativity, you're not gonna grow or you're not gonna thrive sa environment na yan.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
That's
Like, kung wala ka namang makita sa church, social media guys, ang daming communities ngayon na alam mo yun, I experienced these things and that, 'di ba?
That's
And
true.
then, mamimit mo pa talaga yung mga tao na mas makakaintindi sa'yo.
That's true. Well, paano kung naapektuhan na pati anak mo? Anong solusyon mo doon?
Well, my kids are my treasure. And alam mo yun, for me, all you have to do is protect your kids from that kind of dynamics, 'di ba? Kasi ayaw mo nang i-pass on sa kanila yung dysfunctional ties na meron kayo, 'di ba? And alam mo yun, pag nakita kasi ng mga anak mo yan na hinahayaan mong i-disrespect kanila, parang babaunin yan ng anak mo hanggang
Yeah.
paglaki nila.
Makikita nilang natural yan.
Makikita nilang natural na,
That's what norm is.
dinidisrespect na nila yung nanay ko, ganyan, 'di ba? Okay lang pala. So pag lumaki yung mga anak nyo at na-experience nila yan, hahayaan lang nila, 'di ba?
True.
Na ganunin sila. So,
That's true.
I mean, you don't wanna pass that on to your kids. And
Never, yeah.
teach them how to give boundaries,
Or teach them differently.
'di ba? Kasi yun yung importante.
Yeah.
Ayaw
Kasi,
mong baunin nila yan throughout hanggang maging lumaki sila or sa pagtanda nila.
that's true. Kasi yung kinalakihan natin sa Pilipinas, it's
Yeah.
not that easy. Kasi yung mga bad attitude na lang na nakukuha natin sa dati, yung napapass on generation to generation. So,
Yeah, and alam niyo yun guys, and the most important thing like for me, or pinaka-importante sa akin as I've mentioned, 'di ba, yung mga anak ko. And ayoko na parang mapagdaanan nila yung sakit, parang ganun, or yung trauma. So, wag na talaga nating i-pass on sa kanila.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Which is super hard, but at least we have to keep trying.
that's true. So, next question. Worth it pa ba? Worth it pa bang lumaban para sa relasyon nyo kung palaging may kontra?
Well, it depends sa inyong dalawa, 'di ba?
Yeah.
I mean, kung gaano nyo kayang ipaglaban ng isa't isa. And at the end of the day, kayo naman talaga yung magsasama and kayong dalawa lang yung, alam mo yun, sabi nga nila, hindi mo sila papakisamahan, pero ang papakisamahan mo forever is yung husband or wife mo. 'Di ba?
Correct.
I-audit ninyo pareho kung saang direction or route ninyo gusto pumunta, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Kung ito ba, distraction lang ba to? Or alam mo yon, or
That's
pupunta ba
true.
ito sa growth, 'di ba?
Yes.
And at the end of the day, hindi naman kayo ang magkaaway 'di ba? Dapat
Yeah.
nga kayo yung magkakampi and dapat maging matatag kayo for each other.
So, paano mo i-handle yung guilt na baka ikaw nga ang problema?
Well, alam mo yon, at the end of the day, 'di ba? Hindi ka naman talaga perfect, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ka perfect,
That's
pero hindi ka din naman unworthy, 'di ba?
That's true.
So, alam mo talaga sa sarili mo at kilala mo yung sarili mo better than anyone else. And maybe just learn to grow, 'di ba? Kaysa i-punish mo yung sarili mo sa mga sinasabi nila, 'di ba? Which is, alam mo yun, wag mo na lang paikutin yung buhay mo sa kanila. Mag-focus ka na lang sa'yo and sa growth mo.
I like that. I
Yeah.
like that.
Because at the end of the day, it's you living your life
Yeah,
and
not
it's your story to create.
that's true.
Diba?
Not someone else's life.
Yes.
It's you.
It's you.
So,
It's you.
well, guys, that's a short podcast that we just did. Do you want to close it?
Yes, guys, and I hope you learned something from it. I know it's quite quick, and we are in different setting, but
Yeah, we're trying to we're trying to see if we can have this kind of podcast outdoor. So we're trying to understand the situation being outdoor na marami ka kailangan i-consider.
yeah.
Obviously,
Yung
light,
sun, yung-
stuff. But anyways, hope you guys learn anything from this podcast.
And I hope you guys like it. And alam nyo naman guys, like we want something new. And sabi nga namin, di ba,
Yes.
hindi naman perfect ang podcast ko. And we're also learning as we go.
Correct, yeah.
And at least, alam nyo yun, may bago. 'Di ba? Hindi yung ganun na lang lagi, like paulit-ulit. Well, at least guys, may kakaiba tayong, alam nyo yun, backdrop. 'Di ba?
Yeah,
Which is
setup. Yeah.
and setup, which is yung nature.
That's true.
Well, I hope you guys like it and thank you so much for watching. And if this one resonates sa'yo, please share it or share sa kakilala mo na naka-experience ng ganito. Baka kailangan niya marinig itong mga words na to, di ba? Or baka
That's true.
nahihirapan na siya. Well, at least we can help her or him. Diba? So if you guys haven't followed me yet, this is Rosmely Tabelon, and please do give me a follow. And also please follow my husband, Mark Tabelon, Mark Your Greatness. That's his Facebook page.
Yeah.
So ayun na nga guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in.
Thank you, guys.
And I'll see you guys next time.
We'll see you next time, guys. Thank you.
Bye.